Hello and welcome to Taitang. We are your partner in global hospitality solutions, committed to powering your business with quality, value, and trust. Step inside our expansive showroom, featuring ceramics, full guest room amenities, plush bed linens, towels, bedding sets, modern buffet food displays, and chafing dishes. Every single detail is thoughtfully curated to elevate your brand identity and guests' experience. Explore our complete banquet solutions, professional kitchenware, cookware, and custom kitchen engineering project setups. Backed by our own factories for furniture, ceramics, amenities, and textiles, we guarantee reliable quality right from the source to the whole production and final check process. From custom design drawings to packaging, we tailor every solution to fit your exact operational needs. With international certifications, massive warehousing, and global logistics, we ensure safe and timely delivery in the world. Trusted by hospitality brands and partners around the world, we warmly invite you to join us together with Taitang.